Welcome to 1113 Brown Boulevard. This nice 2-bedroom, 1 full bath duplex off of Platte Springs Road in the Red Bank area of Lexington has a backyard deck and storage shed. So we're out at the front of the unit now, and it's the left side, of course, of the duplex here. You do have some mature trees out in front. Parking is on either side. The mailbox is on that side, so parking may be over there, but there may be some on the left as well. But you can check and verify that with the leasing office. So we'll take a look inside. So you step up the front stairs here. You have a nice size sort of front deck or front porch out here as well. And then you step into the living room off the front door inside. So you have vinyl flooring in the living room that continues into the kitchen. Nice and low maintenance, neutral paint throughout as well. So you can see nice sized living room, get better natural light. You have a recessed area there where you would likely place entertainment equipment, but of course you can do what you like. And then you have a pass-through on this partition wall through to the kitchen. Kitchen itself has nice wood cabinets, white countertops, and white appliances. There's a side-by-side refrigerator, dishwasher, and electric stove. And then you have a window over the sink there looking out over the back deck and backyard. Nice sized laundry area off the kitchen as well. You have full-size washer dryer connections in there. It's a nice window and a shelf above also. And then out the back door, you have access to your backyard space. So a nice a nice deck here off the back of the house. And you can see there's a shed out there as well. There is some storage in there, but I believe it houses the pump equipment for the well. That's the source of water, I do believe, on this property. So that may be another added benefit as well, just maybe with the lower bill. And then, of course, back off the living room here, you have the hallway, sort of a recessed area, and then you have your full bathroom. So you have the shower and tub as you enter. You have some built-in corner shelving in the shower, which is nice. Some hooks along the wall there, and then single vanity and cute little medicine cabinet over the commode, as well as some shelving on the opposite side. And then 2 bedrooms in the home, one facing front on this side. You have a couple windows in here. This is the smaller of the 2, and you can see the closet in the corner. And then you also have the 2nd bedroom at the back here, and it has sort of a recessed storage area here with some shelving, and then of course the larger closet on the opposite side of the room, which you can see is a pretty decent size, but a larger room than the first. So that completes our tour of this home, 1113 Brown Boulevard in Lexington. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.